Hi, good evening everyone. I am Labhyans. I'm going to talk about you want to learn English but you don't want to sit with book. Then how to learn, how to practice English. Even I also don't want to sit with book. So in this condition, in this situation, how to learn English? Simple method and very easiest way I will tell you to you how to practice. I also do something. That's why I'm telling to you my personal thought thinking as I do. Just I am telling to you. You can also do. Start from beginning. Like what you can do at the first time. Just think, speak English very small sentences. I can hop on you. You can speak English very small sentences. I means what I am trying to tell you in small sentences. Like I'm going home, I'm eating food. After some time I will talk to him. Or like you can start more easiest as much easiest you can do, as well as what else you can do, like translate yourself whatever you are thinking. Just thinking, like I understand you are thinking in Hindi language, yes, not wrong, think Hindi language, but after that you try to translate into English. And if you are stuck somewhere, then try to find out then where I did wrong and where I stuck, and how can I speak this English front of people if I want to speak. If you follow this method, then will help a lot. And what else apart from that, like describe the thing. Like if you see anything, just suppose you seen any dog, then describe the dog. Like this is a dog, and uh, dog is very beautiful, color of dog is black, or whatever. Means describe. If you describe, then you will get to know that how to practice and how to speak. As well as I have already told you many times, just practice with mirror, front of mirror. Then you will get to know that when you speak, then you will see yourself where, how to speak, how is my body language while speaking, where I am, like your faces, your impression. Means lots of things they teach you over there, like front of mirror. Or as well as start making vlog, making video, as I am doing. It is a very good method to learn English, and because it's give lots of confidence to you to speak front of people. You do not try to I do not try to that if I am started to learn English, then I will get very soon result. No, it will not happen. It will take time, but 100% sure that you will get changes, changes in yourself, lots of improvement in yourself. So if you follow these type thing, then you can practice and do not need to sit front of book, and you can learn English very easy way. Thank you so much watching my videos so far. If you are beginner and haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe. And who all are trying to learn English, please send my video to them. They will also improve and they will try to do as I spoke to you. Thank you. See you in next vlog. Bye. Good night.